Even though you can't mix colors like you would with paint, optical blending is a technique that helps trick your eye into seeing a little bit more of a gradient. What I want to do is I'm going to have my regular bit of purple there in the middle so we can kind of see what we're working from. And then I'm going to split this in half. And we're going to have a little bit with the black and a little bit with the white. Depending on just how light or dark you want your color, you might want even amounts of each, you might want a little bit more of one or the other, it just kind of depends. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set these off to the side, and just working on the lighter color, I'm going to take the white and the purple and place them on top of one another. And the same thing that I did when I was getting this piece off of the main bit of wool, I'm just gonna lightly pull and then put it on top and lightly pull and keep doing that. So it's kind of like you are cutting a deck of cards. So you're just gonna pull it in half and put the bottom half on top again. You'll notice that some parts are kind of already getting a little even. You want to make sure to sort of twist and turn it to see, so that way you don't have a big piece of one color in any spot. But what we're trying to do is disperse the color throughout each other. Depending on how uniform you want the color to be, or perhaps you want like a mottled or streaky look, that'll depend on how much you blend. Now you can already see that when we put it next to our original purple, it is a little bit lighter. And now we're going to go ahead and do the black. Remember to tug gently and rearrange the fibers so that the colors are dispersed evenly. Now I have light, medium, and dark purple. You can also keep blending for more variety.